You heard Rajiv Bajaj putting various cautionary signals, saying he would like to wait to see what happens post-festive before suggesting that the Indian economy is recovering. Much more needs to be done, particularly to stimulate MSMEs and to get exports back on track. How do you respond to that? Are we being overly euphoric, doing cartwheels before the economy truly revives?
So the data which is coming out is suggesting that slowly and steadily economy is recovering. Your power consumption in October is up 13%. Clearly factories are running. Your rail freight is up 15%. Clearly cargoes are moving. And more importantly, PMI of India for October came at 58.9, much higher than China. That means manufacturers are looking towards future with optimism. Now, it might be pent-up demand, it might be festive demand, but we needed a catalyst of demand to kickstart the economy. So far, momentum is positive. And more importantly, from a stock market point of view, out of 17 odd Nifty companies which have come out with results, 16 are either ahead of expectation or meeting expectation. And only one company's result is below expectation. So my guess is that we are moving in right direction. Obviously, everyone wants to sustain this momentum.
No, in the sense that Nilesh Shah, as Rajiv Bajaj mentioned, there is degrowth year on year. The concern that is there is that compared to 2019-20, and that was not a great year for the economy, we are still degrowing. How do you revive, in a sense, the animal spirits of the economy, get back to double-digit growth without further stimuli? He seems to suggest that there isn't enough stimulus at the moment within the economy to sustain this consumer demand beyond the festive season.
So I will just pick up a couple of important points. We have provided accommodative monetary policy. Now we have to ensure that credit growth pickup, which we witnessed in September and October, is continued further. Without credit, growth is not possible. Mm-hmm. We have also seen lowest policy rates in Indian monetary system. Now we need to ensure that benefit of low interest rates are available to small and medium enterprises. And we have seen a beginning where housing loans are now available below 7%. We have seen one of the record high foreign direct investments coming to India. But we must ensure that like 2000 technology sector made India back office to the world. Mm-hmm. 2020 COVID-19 pushes India to become manufacturing hub. We must become part of global supply chain management, mm-hmm. which can change India's growth orbit for years to come. And finally, while we have to maintain path of fiscal prudence, we should focus on raising non-tax revenues through strategic divestment, through monetization of already existing assets, and through unlocking of gold, which is mostly lying in black economy in Tijori. Through this combination, we could sustain the recovery which we have seen in September and October.